Motion and types of motion. Okay, so today we have to learn the chapter motion. Okay, and its type. So all of we know that motion. Motion means the continuous displacement of an object. It is called as मोशन. म्हणजे एखाद्या वस्तूची जे सतत काय होतंय तिचं विस्थापन होतंय, बरोबर आहे. तर त्या वस्तूची आपण तिला काय म्हणतो किंवा त्या वस्तूला गती प्राप्त होते असं आपण काय म्हणतो. ठीक आहे. तर अशा पद्धतीचं फॉर एक्झाम्पल we know that different types of examples like flying the aeroplane in the sky, okay, moving the train, and also moving the car, etc. Also players throwing the football, cricket ball, etc., etc. All these are the examples of the motion. Understood? So next one, types of motion. So we know that there are two types of motion. First is linear motion. Which motion? Linear motion. So what is meant by linear motion?
रेषीय गती.
रेषीय गती म्हणजे the object which moves in a straight line. Object which moves in a straight line in the same direction. म्हणजे अशी वस्तू ती एका सरळ रेषेमध्ये पुढे जाते, है ना, मूव होते आणि तिची दिशा सुद्धा कशी असणार आहे?